In this video, we'll look at how to create a Polyverse Asset Library and how to upload assets to it. To create an asset library, in the Asset Management area in the sidebar, click Asset Libraries. In the main area, click Create New Asset Library and then give the library a name. You can now decide if it's public or private. You cannot change this setting once the library has been created. Click Create New Library to finish the creation process. In the top right area of the library, we'll find the Edit button. From here, you can edit the library's information, including its name and description, library members and their permissions, and additional settings and workflows. Let's upload an asset. Click the Upload Asset button in the top left corner and select the type of asset you would like to upload. Drag and drop one or more assets into the drop well, and then click Start Upload. Here we are presented with the Assets Edit page. We can view the asset in the 3D viewer and begin entering in its metadata, such as its name, category, and description. Polyverse automatically generates an interactive turntable of thumbnails. We can also choose to manually generate the thumbnails here. In addition to the custom data below, Polyverse also saves all the viewport modifications, including adding a floor, the camera exposure, and any background environment. When you are ready to save your changes, click the green check mark to save your asset. Polyverse automatically generates a collection of LODs for every mesh that is uploaded to an asset library. You can easily choose which level of detail to view with the cogwheel in the viewport. Here we can see our new asset in our asset library with the interactive thumbnail. Notice that it is unpublished. Let's go ahead and publish it by clicking the green rocket ship button in the Assets page. Once published, the asset will now be visible to everyone that has access to this library. And if it's a public asset, it will now be visible publicly. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about Polyverse, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.